Did you know the first toothbrush was invented between the years 619 and 907?
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Brushing our teeth all day.
Duh, hubby dude, I'm brushing my teeth all day. What does it look like?
Ah, cool.
Hey, Hobby Dude, what's inside toothpaste?
I don't know, you wanna find out?
Yay!
But before the toothpaste, we're gonna smash one of these guys open and see what's inside.
Hobby Science Lab.
Did you know that it's recommended that you keep your toothbrush at least 6 feet away from a flushing toilet to keep germs away? Ew!
Ah! Wait a minute. Oh man, I got the wrong hammer. Hold on. Alright, let's try that again. Ah! Man, those are some pretty tough toothbrushes. Well, since these toothbrushes are made out of some type of obsidian or something, we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. And that's with this screwdriver. First, we gotta take the corkscrew out, remove the batteries, and then we're gonna break it from the inside out. Now we've got a plain old toothbrush.
Good job. Fresh, clean teeth.
Next, we're gonna grab our clipper cloppers here and we're gonna crush this open. Look, we cracked it. Next, we're gonna get our little wedgie guy here and shove it in this crack and we're gonna pry it open. Yeah! Whoa, cool! We got a super duper compressed V8 engine for a toothbrush, which connects to the thermal capacitor. Whoa, that's magnetized. There we go. Which connects to the thermal capacitor, also known as the gear shaft, which induces the ripcord at the junction box. Then you go down Pike's Place, and that connects you to past the boardwalk area of the bristle brush, and make sure you don't collect $200 because you still have cavities. Mouthwash is where it's at, people. Now, we are not going to spend some quality time breaking these guys apart. We're going to go do it monster truck style. Let's go. Who's ready to monster truck smash?
Hey, look! The monster truck turned it on. Turned it off.
Did you know the most expensive toothbrush costs $4,000 and it's not even electric?
Hey, Hobby Dude, I have a great idea.
What?
We're gonna smash the toothpaste in the smithereens with your new truck.
Ah, cool! Let's go get the hobby monster truck!
Yeah!
Please remember, hobby fans, do not attempt to do this. Well, guys, that is how you get toothpaste out of the toothpaste bottle. So we just squeezed toothpaste from Jake the Pirate, TMNT, your princesses, strawberry toothpaste, Crest Complete toothpaste, Paw Patrol, and the Minions.
Oh, a strawberry. Ooh, a strawberry. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not.
Ooh, Hobby Gator wants some too.
Oh.
Hobby Gator loves He likes the green ones, the green sparkly ones. What does that feel like? He likes it.
Hobby Pig is freaking out. Get it, Hobby Gator, get it! Oh!
You got blue fingers.
You got blue fingers, Hobby Bear.
Whoa.
Oh, cool, guys.
I made a happy face.
Ah, sweet.
Yeah, we can make some stuff.
Oh, what does that taste like? Does that taste good?
I'm gonna get it all over my hands just like they are.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so messy.
Cool, the colors are so neat.
Whoa, cool. Yeah. Go, Hobby Bear.
Ooh, it's clear.
Ooh, cool. Clear toothpaste.
Come on, how come it's not looking like poop?
Here's a fun fact. In the late 1700s, people used to brush their teeth with powder made from burnt toast and chalk. Yuck! In 1914, they added fluoride, which helps keep your teeth clean and prevents your teeth from rotting and falling out of your head. They even have special toothpaste for astronauts. So make sure you brush your teeth twice a day, hobby fans. Oh!
So you got it all out. Hey, I think there's something else in there. Oh, really? Whoa.
Whoa! You got 3 surprise blind boxes! That is so cool! Well, I think each of you should open one. Go ahead and grab a box. So Hobby Frog got the Nether Pack 3 series Minecraft blind box. Here's all the characters we can get. Awesome. Oh, you got...
I want, first I want the spring ring, like, whatever that is.
Oh yeah, you want the gas? Okay, open it up. Let's see what we got.
So that's what you call gas.
Yep, gas.
Hobby Gator's excited.
Hobby Gator really wants to open up that Minecraft box.
Hey, we got this. Hey, we got the Minecraft spider.
Up your blind box.
Okay, I think I've done this.
Oh, you want the Hulkbuster Iron Man. That's what Hobby Bear wants to get. I hope you get it. Let's see what's inside.
I see.
What is it? What'd you get?
Hawkeye.
Ah, cool. You got Hawkeye.
I think big guy.
Yeah, you got the Hawkeye. The
Hawkeye.
Ah, cool. You got the bobblehead Hawkeye. Hobby Pig got the Minecraft Series 1 Craftables blind box. Let's see what you got, buddy.
There's 10 to collect.
Ooh, 10 of them? Sweet. Whoa, cool.
We got a wolf.
Awesome. We got the wolf with the wolf bone.
Wolf, 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 wolf.
Please remember, hobby fans, do not attempt to do this. You guys ready to find out what's inside frozen toothpaste? Oh, yeah.
That's frozen.
It's frozen. Oh, cool. It looks like ice cream. Smells delicious.
If you guys want to learn more stuff with Hobby Grit and smash things open, check out one of these awesome videos. Smash that subscribe button.
Feel thumbs up if you like to find out what's inside stuff.
Yeah! See you guys on the next show.